Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Aothia Desk Dual Monitor Stand Riser, a versatile and stylish solution for your workspace needs. This innovative monitor stand is designed to accommodate a range of devices, from desktop monitors to laptops and printers, with an adjustable length from 29 to 43 inches and a robust weight capacity of up to 100 pounds. Its upgraded design includes non-slip rubber pads on the corners and metal feet, ensuring stability and protecting your desk from damage. Assembly is a breeze, taking just 2 minutes with a simple screw-together process, allowing you to customize the angle and height to maintain a comfortable posture and reduce strain during long work hours. The stand not only supports dual monitors for enhanced productivity but also offers 3 additional storage spaces underneath, perfect for organizing office supplies and keeping your desk clutter-free. With its vintage design, it seamlessly complements any workspace while enhancing efficiency and comfort. Plus, with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that any quality or transport issues can be resolved with a replacement or refund. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.